This video will show you how to pair your R10 with Garmin Golf app. Approach R10 is a Doppler effect radar providing you many golf metrics using both direct measurement and estimation. With Garmin Golf app and R10, you can play virtual games with your friends. Press and hold the button at the back of the device until it shines solid blue. Then open Garmin Golf app. Select More on the lower right corner. Select Garmin Devices. Select Add Device. If you can't find Approach R10 here, you can select Browse Other Device. Select Approach. Then find Approach R10 and select it. After successfully pairing them, you will see flashing white indicating standing by mode. That's it. Thanks for your watching.